Volvo S60 suspension noises, what that clunking sound means. Hearing clunking noises from your Volvo S60's suspension can be alarming. These sounds often signal worn or failing components that could affect ride comfort, handling, or even safety. In this video, we'll explore the most common causes of suspension noises in the S60, what they indicate, and when you should consider repairs. Let's break it down point by point to help you identify and fix the issue early. Number 1. Worn control arm bushings. These rubber parts isolate vibration and provide pivot points for suspension movement. Worn bushings cause excessive play and produce clunking, especially when braking or going over bumps. Number 2. Faulty ball joints. Ball joints link control arms to the steering knuckle and help absorb vertical and lateral movement. When worn, they create metal-to-metal contact, resulting in a clunking sound over uneven surfaces. Number 3. Loose or damaged sway bar links. Sway bar links stabilize the vehicle during cornering and connect the sway bar to the suspension. Broken or loose links produce knocking noises during turns or while driving over road imperfections. Number 4. Strut mount failure. The strut mount secures the suspension strut to the vehicle and absorbs shocks and vibrations. A bad strut mount causes popping or clunking when turning the steering wheel or hitting bumps. Number 5. Shock absorber wear. Shocks control suspension rebound and keep the tires in contact with the road. Failing shocks result in bouncing and noise, especially when driving on rough or uneven terrain. Number 6. Broken coil springs. Coil springs support the vehicle's weight and maintain ride height and comfort. A broken spring can shift and rub against suspension parts, causing audible clunking. If your Volvo S60 is making clunking noises, don't ignore it. Suspension issues can worsen over time and compromise safety. Identifying the source early can save you from costly repairs and maintain a smooth ride. Whether it's a worn bushing, bad shock, or loose link, have your suspension checked by a trusted mechanic.